back to my YouTube channel and the very last day in the life of a third grade teacher vlog for this school year, which is so crazy. Today is our second to last day of school, so we have today and tomorrow, so I'm gonna be vlogging both days, and then I'm gonna smash them together. I'm starting this vlog in my house to explain why I look like a total scrub. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that towards the end of the year, I like to make slime. So today we are making a huge batch of slime in the morning, and it gets messy, and I just couldn't bring myself to wear real clothes today. So that's why we are the way we are. So I'm gonna take off here in a minute. I do have to run to the store and get food coloring because that was the only thing for the slime that I forgot. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I will see you guys in the classroom. All right, we made it to the classroom. I did come over the weekend and just pack some more stuff away. I didn't have my camera, so I didn't film it, but I'll walk you through everything that I did. Quick disclaimer, it's supposed to be 103 here in Sacramento today, so this is gonna get a lot worse, so I apologize in advance. So basically what I need to do this morning is just get everything prepped and ready to make slime. I'll show you everything that I bought. I will have the description linked down below for you if you do end up wanting to make a big batch for your class at some point in your career. So I'm gonna get all that stuff ready. I'm gonna give you a quick pan of the classroom and show you kind of what else I need to do, because today we have a really easy day. I'm gonna walk you through our schedule. It's kind of laughable, but we're gonna do silent reading first thing in the morning. We're gonna do a morning meeting, then we're gonna make slime, then we go out to recess. When we come back from recess, I'm gonna have a list of like chores that I want the kids to help me with, which I'll show you in a minute. And then they're gonna finish wrapping up their third grade books, and then we can go sign those, and then they go to art, lunch. We started The Incredibles last week, so we're gonna finish that today. And then they have computer time, and then I'm gonna give them some time to sign their yearbooks, and then they have PE minutes, and then the day's over. So it's a very easy day. So I'm going to show you what I bought for slime, and then I'm gonna get it all set up. Okay, so first things first, I got this tub because this is what I'm gonna use to make the slime in. So we have a gallon of Elmer's glue. I got like 15 cans, these are 98 cents at Walmart, of the shaving cream. Contact solution, I was really confused because in my last vlog that I made this, I said we used 3/4 of an ounce of an 18-ounce bottle, or 3/4 of an 18-ounce bottle, and they didn't have 18 ounces, so I have to double check. Baking soda, we need water, and food coloring, so that's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this table to like right here, and then that's what will make the slime. I will film it for you, or I'll have a kiddo help me film it, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna do that in just a second, but I kinda wanna show you, this was my big project over the weekend. All of this is empty, so this whole cabinet is empty. All of these drawers are empty, and my entire desk is completely emptied. And then I just took some other random things home. I did clear off the supply counter. I tossed our lunch bin because it was disgusting. So yeah, we're pretty much done. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move some desks around and get all the slime set up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so here is our setup. So I'm gonna stand back there, and the kids kind of gather around here. So I walk them through the recipe. So our recipe is 1 gallon of Elmer's glue, 3 cups of water, 1/4 cup of baking soda, however much shaving cream, and probably close to the whole thing of contact solution, and then food coloring. Obviously we have to do blue and green, duh. So last year I dumped everything in, and then I had like rulers for the kids to stir it, and then we took turns getting our hands in there, and then eventually I was like, okay, everyone go wash your hands, let me get this really going. So I think we're gonna do something similar, but I packed all of my rulers, so I don't know, I'm gonna play it by ear. Hopefully I will have a kiddo recording. If not, I'm sorry, but we'll see how it goes. So that'll be really fun. I'm gonna put you guys down and get everything else situated, and then pick you back up when we get the slime rolling. Hey guys, so Monday's over. I know I got some slime footage and everything after that was just a whirlwind, but I am gonna vlog tomorrow. Just a couple of things I wanna mention. Go ahead and click subscribe now because I have several announcements coming in the next few weeks that I really am excited to share with you guys, and I don't want you to miss them. I usually post things here first before I do on Instagram, so make sure you click subscribe. And I'm just gonna leave my camera here and I'll pick you back up in the morning. See ya. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the last day of school. It's so crazy. I had every intention of like doing my hair and looking cute today, and then I woke up and it said it was gonna be 104 degrees. So I was like, yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. But I'm here in my costume. It's really early. It's only 6:45. I woke up wide awake at 4:30 and I was like, my trainer said he couldn't work out today. So I was like, all right, well, I'm just gonna come to school and finish everything that I have to do. So in my district, today is the kids' last day. We have to show up tomorrow, but I'm actually checking out today with my principal. We had to sign up for today or tomorrow. So tomorrow, I don't know what I'm gonna do in here, but whatever. Because today my goal is this morning to get every single thing done. So when I check out at 9 a.m., there's no questions. I can just be done. So I made a list of things on the board that I wanna get done this morning. As far as our day goes, we're literally, I don't even know what we're gonna do. We're gonna do our morning meeting. I'll probably put on a movie. I'm gonna see if I can get some hula hoops to do this really cool game that I saw online. A lot of recess. We have a minimum day today. We get out at 12:45, so. It is what it is, just spend some last time with the kiddos. I'm gonna show you my room right now and a list that I made of everything that I have to get done. It's really not that much, but it will take me a little while, so let me show you. Okay, first things first, this is the state of my room. I took down my wood wall. You guys, it looks so weird. Oh, it's crazy. Okay, so things I have to do. I'm gonna move all of my desks before the kids even get there, back in the corner like that, because I just wanna get it done. We made slime yesterday, so I still have a tub. I'm gonna throw it in our dumpster. I need to pack all the curriculum. I wasn't aware that we had to put those all in boxes, so I have to go find our janitor to get boxes to pack all of that away. What else? I need to pack up supplies and expo markers, so I still have some stuff over there that needs to get packed up. I need to make a trip to my car. I have to move that. Some stuff over there. I have book box, this bin, tub. So one last trip to my car, and that's it. So I'm gonna put you guys down and get some of this stuff done, and then I'll pick you back up and do like a little end of the year reflection with you guys. All right, this is the last load going to my car. I am gonna keep just one little crate because there are some things that I just need to keep today. Like I need my sticks, baggies, Clorox wipes. So I'll just throw all that in there and take that to my car at the end of the day. So I've done, let's see, I've done this and this. Oops, sorry. I don't have boxes yet, so I have to wait, but we're making progress. Okay, I have moved everything to my car. Y'all, it's only 7:20 in the morning and it's 75 degrees already, so that was fun. I'm already sweating. So speaking of sweating, I'm gonna move all of my desks and stack my chairs now. Okay guys, I am officially done packing up my room. Are you ready for the big reveal? It's so crazy to look at it and think about what it was and all the work I did to make it what it was, and now to see it now. So I'm gonna show you. That's really it. The kids get here in about an hour. I'm gonna sit down and try and get some grad school work done. Just a quick reflection on the year before the day ends. This has been an incredible year. I was really lucky to have an awesome class. I did have some challenging students, but I've learned so much through that experience and on itself. I don't think the sadness of the end of the year gets talked about a lot. Obviously, we're all really excited and kind of burnt out from the school year, but it is sad knowing that these little kids will never be in your class, probably ever again. You spent so much time with them, you've worked with them so hard, and then you kind of like let them go. I feel like a mom, you know, letting them fly free. So it is a little bit sad, but that's life, and I will miss them, and I'm so excited for them. And yeah, I'm just really excited to spend one last day together. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I will check back in with you guys either at the end of the day or throughout the day. Okay, I lied. I ended up getting hula hoops, so I want to show you the game that I'm gonna set up in my classroom. Since it's so empty and so big, we can play it inside. So essentially, it's the ultimate rock, paper, scissors game. So you split the kids into 2 teams, and one lines up on this wall and one lines up on that wall. And then you say go, and the kids hop from one hula hoop all the way around until they meet face to face. When they meet, they do rock, paper, scissors. Whoever loses goes back to their team while the other person keeps hopping and a new player comes up. So I will try and record it for you. My camera's dying, but I will do my best.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Go! Keep jumping!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! No! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Go, Sophia! Our bell just rang. School is officially over. So crazy. Make sure you guys subscribe because I do have some announcements coming in the future. So stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna end this vlog here because we have a big staff happy hour that I have to get to. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me along my 2nd year and this amazing journey. And I hope you stay tuned for year number 3. Have a good summer.